Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes. Today, I will teach you the next chapter, that is Princess September. So, Princess September, September is a name of princess. So, let me tell you what's in this chapter. Let's start the chapter. The king and queen of Siam had 9 daughters. For the queen, it was confusing to remember so many names. Right? They had total 9 daughters. So the king decided to call them by the name of the months. The youngest one name was September. 9 daughters थी और उन्होंने one by one सबके नेम क्या रखे? January, February. The eldest one was January, then February, then March, April, May, June, like this. The youngest one was September. So the king had a peculiar habit. Peculiar means something which is strange or different, right? He has a different habit of what? Instead of receiving the gifts, what he used to do? He used to give gift on his birthday to his daughters. So this time what he gifted a green parrot in a golden cage. So the princess were very glad. And what they used to do, they used to spend an hour a day with the parrot. So the parrot could say, God save the king and Pretty Polly in 7 different languages. So one day what happened, you can see in the figure, the king is gifting this parrot in a golden cage. Right? So Princess September, one day what happened, Princess September woke up early in the morning, and what she found that her parrot was dead. So she started crying and she started weeping, and she could not be comforted. So the maids went to the queen to tell that the Princess September is crying, and what queen ordered, she told that to put her टू स्लीप विदाउट एनी सपर. उनकी मम्मी बोलती है उन्हें बिना किसी खाने के तुम क्या करो, सुला दो. और वो भी इसी तरह उसे सुला देते हैं. Thus the princess was left crying alone in her bed. And next morning what she saw when she was crying, a little bird came into her room, and it began singing a song about the king's garden, king's fish, goldfish, the willow tree, etc. और जो princess थी वो अपना dinner भूल जाती है. She forgot her dinner. The little bird gave the princess a bow. The bird asked her if she would have it in her place of her parrot. जो bird थी वो princess से बोलती है कि अगर क्या वो उनके पैरट की जगह ले सकती है. The princess was very happy listening to this. She became very happy. She was very delighted. Then the bird sang and the princess went to sleep. और princess सो जाती है. The next morning, the bird wished the princess good morning. And then princess offered the food with her hand to the bird. और उसको क्या करती है, शी बाथ इन हर सॉसर, और उसको अपने सॉसर में नहलाती है. द मेड्स ऑफ ऑनर वर सरप्राइज. दे हैड नॉट हर्ड द अर्लियर स्वीट सॉन्ग ऑफ सच अ बर्ड. एंड लुकिंग दैट बर्ड एवरीवन वाज सरप्राइज्ड, राइट? एंड देन द प्रिंसेस टुक हर बर्ड टू हर 8 सिस्टर्स टू शो देम. अपनी बहनों को दिखाने के लिए ले जाती हैं वो बर्ड्स को. The birds sang different songs to the princess. The king and the queen were surprised and delighted to see the bird. They were very happy and they saw that finally Princess September is happy with the bird. So the king, you can see here, she went with the bird to the king and queen, right? And the bird started singing songs, so the king was very happy. Now he started praising about the bird. And what he said, that the parrots only know 2 things. One is Pretty Polly and second is God save the king, right? Now he find that this bird is so adorable. Now The remaining sister of Princess September were jealous of these birds, right? And the parrots were also sad because earlier क्या होता था, everyone सब क्या करते थे, उन पैरट्स की तारीफ करते थे, बट अब क्या हो रहा था, पूरे पैलेस में सिर्फ बर्ड की तारीफ हो रही थी. सो द पैरट एंड the rest of the sisters were jealous. So what they thought? They thought of confusing Princess September. They went to the Princess September. The 8 sisters went to Princess September and they told that we feel very sorry that your parrot has been died. So we came here so that we can console you, right? वो इस तरह से उसको उनके बोलते हैं कि आपके पैरेट की डेथ हुई है, इसलिए हम, उनकी बहनें बोलती हैं हम आपसे मिलने आए. और क्या बोलते हैं कि हमने अपने पॉकेट मनी इकट्ठा करा है ताकि हम क्या करें, आपको नया पैरेट लाके दे दें. बट प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर सेज दैट शी हैज अ बर्ड, नाउ शी इज हैप्पी विद हर बर्ड. सो द प्रिंसेस said that she was wrong in calling bird his hers. What they said, the bird will flew. They told the Princess September that in some day the bird will fly and you will be alone again. उनकी बहनें बोलती हैं ये बर्ड तो उड़ जाएगी, फिर से तुम अकेली हो जाओगी. So better what you do, put this bird into a cage. इस बर्ड जो अब आएगी उसको तुम केज में बंद कर देना और उसे बाहर जाने मत देना. And Princess September got confused and she was convinced with her sisters. So as soon as the bird came back to Princess September, what she did, she took the bird and put her into a cage, right? And Princess September told to the bird that cats are howling or roaming around here in the night, so cage would be the better or their safe place for the bird, right? The bird sang, but it stopped in between. So the bird was convinced and she sat on the cage, hoping that in the morning she would be free. बट ये सोच रही थी कि रात में मैं इस केज में रहूंगी और सुबह मुझे फ्री कर दिया जाएगा, right? But the next morning the bird asked the princess to let it out of the cage. But the princess told it was much better where it was. The bird tried to slip through the bars of the cage, right? Princess September told that it is the safest place for you. Now you will always remain in the cage. But bird was very anxious. She got worried, right? She got worried. The bird got worried. And then the princesses came. They told Princess September that the bird would soon get used to the cage. But the bird asked to open the cage. लेकिन जो बर्ड थी वो प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर को क्या बोलती है, केज ओपन करने के लिए ताकि वो बाहर निकल जाए. बिकॉज बर्ड को क्या आदत थी, फ्रीली घूमने की आदत है और वो केज के अंदर बंद नहीं होना चाहती थी, राइट? बट प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर को शी वॉज कन्विंस दैट एक दिन बर्ड उनको छोड़ के चली जाएगी. दैट्स वाई शी मेड हर पुट इन अ केज. Now Princess September told her to sing a song to a bird, and so she would offer a piece of sugar. But the bird refused to sing a song, and the bird refused to have a piece of sugar, and the bird refused to have any type of food, right? So the next day Princess September went to the cage. Princess September cage के पास जाती हैं. She cried to see that the bird as it looked dead. वो देखती हैं कि बर्ड, यू कैन सी इन हियर, उनको लगता है कि द बर्ड इज डेड बिकॉज उसने खाना नहीं खाया है, ना ही वो गाना गा रही है. सो प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. द प्रिंसेस स्टार्टेड वीपिंग. द बर्ड सेड दैट इट कुड नॉट सिंग अनलेस इट वॉज फ्री. और बर्ड क्या बोलते हैं कि मैं तब तक गाना नहीं गा सकती जब तक मैं आजाद ना हूं. द प्रिंसेस सेट द बर्ड फ्री and she promised that she would not put in a cage again. Now Princess September saw that the bird is not happy, तो Princess September उन्हें निकाल देती है केज से और उसे फ्री कर देती है बर्ड को. और then the bird promised कि मैं जा रही हूँ but I will come back. The bird replied that it loved the princess, it would come to her, it would sing the loveliest song for her and it would also never forget her. और जो प्रिंसेस होती हैं उनको प्रॉमिस करती है कि बर्ड की वो वापस आएगी उनसे मिलने और उन्हें कभी नहीं भूलेगी. Princess was sad, right? She was happy that she has made the bird free, but she was sad because she was alone. Then she burst into tears, right? And the Princess September, what she did, she always kept her window open, right? So that bird can come anytime and anytime the bird can leave. So she always kept her window open. This is her window and she always kept it open, right? So what benefit she got? That the fresh air used to come into her room and Princess September grew very beautiful. Means Princess September's skin was very glowing and she looked so beautiful with the help of through the fresh air, right? She got married to a prince of Cambodia, to the king of Cambodia, and she was carried all the way to a city on a white elephant. और वो किसमें white elephant में बैठ के कैम्बोडिया जाती हैं. और जो उनकी बहन थी, उनकी जो बाकी की सिस्टर्स थी, उनकी विंडोज हमेशा क्लोज रहती थी और इस वजह से ना उन्हें फ्रेश एयर मिली ना कुछ हुआ. एंड जो उनकी बाकी की सिस्टर्स थी, दे ग्रू वेरी अगली. द किंग मैरिड देम टू हिज काउंसलर्स. They were given a pound of tea and a Siamese cat. और जो किंग होते हैं अपने काउंसलर्स के संग उनकी बहनों की शादी करा देते हैं एंड उनको क्या देते हैं? a pound of tea and a Siamese cat. So this was a story, Princess September. Thank you.